it's Gaby here, and we're gonna be learning how to brush your hair by yourself as a kid. So, first, if you have a hair tie-in, you want to take it out. So, my dad did that for me, and of course, I've been running around on purpose, hitting my head on my pillow on purpose for my hair to get messy, so I can do this. So let's get started. So first, you want to get your favorite brush. This is my favorite pepper brush, and if it has hair in it, you want to take it out because you want to have a clean brush. Because you're gonna be whipping out some hair. And first of all, where it's really spiky, you want to brush it like this. You want to get all your hair on this side and brush it like this. And make sure there's no spikes up. And now you want to get your spray and spray it a little bit. All you need is 5 sprays, and then you're done. Then close the lid on your spray and get brushing again. There. Now that side's done, you want to take a little strip and brush that little strip. And if your hair's not messy, just pause this video, and run around and then hit your head on your pillow, and it should make your hair messy. And then rewind this video. And follow along. And yes, if you have seen other Gabrellas, they're not the real me, they're just faking, they're just copycats. So you do not want to believe them. They do not know anything about me, so they're just silly. And the S word. And if it hurts, just ow. Just do this. Ow. So you want to get the other side and brush the other side. If it's hard to brush, just get your spray and spray it. Yes, I have been running around like psycho because, like full on crazy, because I had to get my hair messy just for this video. Oh, and if you're wondering, yes, I am obsessed with makeup. And I even got my horse here. You want to show them what she can do? Okay. Hold on. The camera's not big enough, so I'm just going to move you to YouTube, and just fans, I'm just going to put you on the ground for a little bit. You have to ignore the fact that you can see you can see me. You have to watch my unicorn. Okay, I better put this thing away. Otherwise my parents are gonna kill me. And no, that's just the expression. So, now that you brushed it out perfectly, you want to get a streak of hair, like this much hair, and you want to get a hair tie and tie that streak up. Unless you want to get 2 streaks and do a braid. I'm gonna put this streak into 2 streaks, and I'm gonna plait it. I normally plait my doll's hair with 2 strands. I know you're meant to do it with 3 strands, but yeah. If you can hear my parents in the background, just ignore the fact that my mom and dad are talking. Okay, now that I plaited my hair, you want to get your hair tie and put it on your hair like this, and then twist it and do the same thing. So, now that I kind of tried to tie my hair up, okay, this is not gonna work. Obviously, I tried to plait it, but that's not gonna, but tying it up on the bottom is a bit of a challenge for me. So just, I have to do that, then twist it, and then do that. Okay, never mind the plaiting. You just want to... Ow! There. Now you got nice, beautiful hair. Like me. Just gonna hairpin this back. There. There we go. Well, bye-bye, friends.